Couscous provides a wide range of health benefits. It is a great source of plant-based protein, selenium, fiber, and you Google it. And most importantly, couscous is very versatile. You can have it as a main to replace the rice or have it as a salad. But today, I'm feeling very fancy. I decided to make a tomato-based couscous. Now I'm making the tomato sauce. Let's dice the shallots first. If you have any other type of onions, that could also do. We can also add a bit of spring onion to add some sharpness to the tomato sauce. And for my family, garlic is a must. There's no limit for how many cloves of garlic you can add to a dish. While the pan is heating up, let's prep the couscous. I'm using 200 ml of couscous and 300 ml of water. It is critical to use boiling water when you make the couscous. Now I'm pouring all the water into the kettle, so when the water is actually boiling hot, I can use all the water directly and put it into the couscous. As usual, we test the pan with water droplets to see if it's ready. Once it's bouncing around, we add the oil, turn the pan around to make sure that the pan is fully coated in oil. I'm gonna dump the pancetta first because I want the subsequent ingredients to be fully soaking the flavor of the pancetta. Now I'm sauteing the onion, the spring onions. Now the flavor is coming out. Add the passata. Make sure to stir it constantly to prevent it sticking to the bottom. I'm gonna quickly chop some basil because the earlier I chop it, it will lose the fragrance. Now it's time to turn on the kettle. While the water is boiling, get a tablespoon of oil and rub it into every single bit of the couscous. Once the water is ready, pour all of it into the couscous and then add the sauce we just made. Give it a good stir. Let it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, use a fork to break down the couscous. I'm having it with salmon and other veggies today. It tastes so good. I'm really proud of myself.